about a Scat Pack? Is a Scat Pack worth buying? And the answer to that, hey, what's up, y'all? So listen, I just hit a very important milestone today. Well, it was actually this morning, so I'm recording this video later on. I hit 10,000 miles, y'all. As some of you know, I bought the car brand new from the Dodge dealership, but some of you that don't know, the car came as a Hellraising purple color. You know, I got the wrap installed. But listen, y'all, stay tuned for this video if you want to know, is the Scat Pack really worth buying it? Is it really worth the value? But before we get any further in this video, if you ain't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Remember, it is free to hit that subscribe button. It is free to support, I always say. Like this video, drop a green emoji when the video is over with. Come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. As y'all can see, I'm headed to work. Don't have on no Slime Pack merch, but you can go get you some at slimepack.store. This video, I need to get some gas, so y'all gonna see how much it takes for me to fill up. Right now I'm averaging at about 14.6 miles per gallon. So of course, you know, I'm at a Shell station where I like to get all of my gas from. Also, if you signed up, you always get 5 to 10% off the gallon. So now that I've done got gas, now it is time to hit the road. I'm trying to record at least 2 or 3 videos within this day. As you can see, I got on my work clothes. I'm getting ready to head to work a little later on in probably about 4 hours. I only got a certain amount of time to try to record enough footage that I need. So let's hit the road, y'all. Right there is why I burn gas so much. So like I said, y'all, I hit 10,000 miles. I missed the actual rollover because I don't know, I wasn't really paying attention. I was on my way to work, and when I got off work that morning, I seen that I was at 10,006 miles. So this still gonna count for a 10,000 mile review. You better not pull out. Anyway, it's crazy. I'm already dressed for work, passing by my job, but I'll be back in a few hours. If you've been following my channel, then you know that I've been doing a lot of traveling from city to city, state to state. I calculated all of that up and it came up to 4,000 something miles of traveling, of highway traveling. So it's not bad miles, but still. I got this car to do YouTube. Hold on, let me put this engine in eco mode. And put the cruise control on, because that's the way to save gas, y'all. Just like if you're taking trips that's longer than 30 minutes, ride with your cruise control on. But back to what I was saying, I got this car to do YouTube. I had a previous Scatpack. I really got that to start my YouTube, but as you know, it was totaled. I was involved in an accident, but it wasn't my fault. I picked this up about 2 weeks later after the accident because, you know, I needed something to keep my footage going. I got a pretty good deal while, you know, before they marked up the prices even more. Since I've had this car, 10,000 miles, I done got 2 oil changes. Still got my stock tires. It's about time for some new ones at the back. Still got my stock brakes. Everything on the inside is clean. There's no wear and tear anywhere. I don't have any kids, so the driver's seat is the main seat that usually get used a lot. Every now and then the passenger seat will get used for if I'm recording a video with somebody. One thing I do got to say is, within these 10,000 miles, it's like I'm starting to get rattling noise up here in the dash. Let me see if I can tap it so y'all can hear. It's like the dash, something in it is like kind of coming in loose. And also another thing is the speakers. I had this problem in my previous Charger, so I know it's just not this. It's like the speakers start to wear out. You know, when the bass hit, you can tell that the speaker is kind of like maybe busted a little bit. But yeah, I don't really ride with music too much because, you know, when you got these, you just want to hear the exhaust system. So the wear and tear would be up here in the dash because it sounds like it's loose. Something is loose in it, and the sound system. This car has held up pretty good whenever it comes to long trips. My longest trip was a 12-hour drive. The only time that I stopped was to get gas. Yeah, well, the only time that I stopped to actually cut the car off was to get gas, because I drove there the whole way, 12 plus hours. So it held up real good. The car didn't run hot. I've never had a check engine light. I don't want to jinx myself, but yeah, I never had a check engine light. Basically, so far this car has held up and held me down pretty well. Only thing that I can have anything, you know, I ain't gonna say bad to say, but, you know, a kind to say would be stuff with the interior, you know, little stuff. Nothing wrong engine wise, mechanical wise. Everything has been great. The tires that they come stock with, they okay. They could be better, but it is what it is. Now I'm gonna get into a question that I get asked a lot. Should you buy a Scatpack? Is a Scatpack worth buying? And the answer to that, I mean, yes, it's worth buying, but right now is the wrong time to buy one. I be telling people that in person, the people that ask me that in person, sometimes I feel like they think I'm, you know, trying to hate or just don't want them to get one, but it's like, I'm telling you, like, they marking these prices of these cars up too high. It's not worth it. But if you're doing YouTube, I say maybe you can jump out there and take a chance, because you never know where it would go. That's what I did. I just jumped out there and took a chance, because if I wasn't doing YouTube, I probably wouldn't be in this right now. Well, not as quick as I was. I love the car. I love everything about it. I love the speed. I love the horsepower. The horsepower is more than enough if you just jumping out there into a Mopar as your first Mopar. A Scatpack is more than enough. You could do little simple things to make your car faster, like boom. Add you a pedal box. I'm about to do a pull from a dead stop for y'all. I'm in eco mode, by the way. Now, if I was in a Hellcat and I tried to do a 0 to 60 in a Hellcat, I couldn't add that clip in, you know, but all I did was spin the whole time. So a Scatpack is worth buying. Is a Hellcat worth buying? Of course it is. But if you just gonna be driving a Hellcat around town just for, you know, just for look wise, and you ain't got the money to do that, then I don't think a Hellcat is a good buy for you. But if you just got money to waste and you just want a Hellcat just because you want a Hellcat, you're not doing YouTube, you're not doing racing or none of that, you just want it just to have bragging rights, then yeah, go ahead. But like I said, Scatpack is more than enough for first time Mopar owners.
Your boy Knockout 360 here, Knockout 360 YouTube, Instagram. Charlotte, we taking over. I'm here with Slime Pack 392. She down here, we going crazy, copyright in the back, so we got to cut this short.
What's up, you guys, man? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Everything 1320 happens on this channel, you guys. And of course, man, definitely check out Slime Pack _
392, you can't forget the underscore.
Underscore, got to you guys. For sure.
Josh LaRon, what's up?
Joe. Bentley,